Okay, these are the options that I know of for running the amplifier cable in a UK Honda Civic Mk8. Okay, the main grommet, you can see the light there, is on the firewall near the middle. Don't know if the camera's picking it up. Where the light is, it's the only one I've found. And it's a double wall grommet, so you've got to puncture it on the outside with something small and sharp without damaging the other cables. And also you've got to do the same again on the inside, because it's a double wall. You know, it's two lots of rubber grommet you've got to go through. But because of the design and this small gap here, you've got a wedge, and if you've got Popeye forearms like me, it's a very you wedge your arms in and you slice them off on this sharp edge here, this plastic trim. So I don't know if you can see, I've run a little wiring before. It's a real pain in the arse getting cable ties on, because you've got to wedge both arms up against this sharp edge. You can see the red wire I've run in, I think. You know, it took me ages to get cable ties on it all the way around. So that's the struggle. But it comes out inside the car about 6 inches above the clutch footrest. Get the camera in. This is awkward. You see the little siren that I've mounted for the alarm. If you can see the white, wire, that's a drag wire I pulled in through the grommet. Ah, there it is. So you can see the grommet there where the white wire comes through. So that's a bit of a struggle. So that's one option. The other option is to actually drill a hole in the firewall at this point here. So you can see there's a metal indent, an X-shaped indent here. Just behind, it's in line with the loom though. You can just see the bottom. You see the light. So it's dead in line with that loom. You just see the corners of the X. It's really hard to film. So obviously you can't really get your drill in from this side. So you need to drill it from the inside. Actually I took the glove box off, which is another story, which I've done another video about. You can see round bit. There's your X. X marks the spot. There you go. And some people have gone that way. And the third option, which other people have done, I think I'll go with. If you move this bit of fluff out the way there. There was a black grommet in there which I took out. That's a 15mm hole, and that comes out in the inner wing. I'll try and do this one-handed, but you need a stiff bit of wire, something you can get that's quite straight. A bit of twin and earth, 1mm I think. You want to push it through at about the angle of 2 o'clock. Okay. And if you look through here, with the door open, the trim here, you can just about see for the gap. And you've got to get through another 2-inch hole. I'll try and do that now. Oh, that's it done. Okay. First time, would you believe? And you've got to remove the plastic bit of trim from this side first. Oh. And there you go, there's a bit of wire. And I've made that look simple. So there you go. Obviously, anti-positive terminal. Those are the 3 options that I know of. I'll be going with this one, I think, and I'll try and get it in some plastic flexible conduit, I think, just to protect it a bit better. Which is this stuff. Different size here. If you're going to go for the firewall, if you're going to drill the metal, then do use a grommet. Or, much better, use cable compression glands. The selection here, red, black, white, grey, in various sizes. Don't go any bigger than 20mm. But these are waterproof and fire resistant as well. We'll probably go with that one. It's about a 15mm. So there's your options. Thanks for watching. Any questions, ask in the comments, I'll try and help. Cheers.